Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on repeat TV with click on settings. And here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on repeat TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.